Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Dammy Tanny. Today we're going to be making Ukodo yam and plantain pepper soup. I have my plantain here, already diced yam, Scotch bonnet, pepper soup spice, scent leaves, ground crayfish, ground pepper, Cameroon pepper, and seasoning powder. So I'm already boiling my meat here. I have goat meat in this pot with the skin, and then I have water in another pot which I'm going to use to boil my already diced and rinsed yam. The reason why I like to boil my yam separately from the meat or the pepper soup is because when you boil your yam into the pepper soup, it causes the soup sometimes to get thickened up, and I don't want that to happen. So I want to parboil the yam first of all. So I started the cooking process here, and I'm going to go in with the plantain also. We don't want the yam to be too soft, just partially cooked, not completely cooked. So now I'm going to leave that to cook. Now that my meat is a little soft, I'm going to go in with some water, just enough water to achieve the amount of pepper soup that I need. You can go in with the amount of water while considering the consistency you want and the amount of pepper soup you're hoping to achieve. So now that the water has been added, I'm just going to go in with the spices at this point. This is my pepper soup spice. I'm going to go in with all of it at this point, just so that the meat can continue cooking with all these spices in the water, and the water can also take in the mixed stock. And now I've gone in with my ground crayfish. I'm also going in with my pepper, the ground pepper and the Cameroon pepper. I'm just going to go in with that. I like the flavor and the smell that comes out due to that Cameroon pepper. Cameroon pepper gives the pepper soup a very nice and unique flavor. Now that I've added all of that, I'm just going to stir everything together and then go in with my seasoning. You can go in with any seasoning cube of your choice. I just like this seasoning cube, so I'm just going to drop it in and it's going to dissolve. I'll just stir everything together and ensure that everything is evenly distributed before leaving it and covering it up to cook. So I'm just going to go back to my pepper soup. Now you see that my yam is already parboiled and my plantain is already parboiled, and then the pepper soup is sizzling already, it's boiling. I can see it, and by this point, if you try your meat, you see that it has absorbed some of the flavor from the pepper soup spice that you added to the water. So I'm just going to go in with my yam and my plantain. Can you see that the yam is not completely soft and the plantain is not completely soft? I'm just going to go in with that and allow it to finish its cooking process in the pepper soup. Here at this point, the yam and the plantain is not staying too long in the pepper soup mix, so it's not going to break or become like a porridge form in the pepper soup. So I'm just going to take everything out and just dump it in the pepper soup pot and allow it to cook together. The yam and the plantain is also going to absorb some of the flavor from the pepper soup. So I didn't put any seasoning, any salt while I was cooking the yam and the plantain separately, because it's going to absorb some of the flavor in the pepper soup water that we have added it to now. So I'm just going to stir everything together. My pepper soup is cooking and I cannot wait to have this pepper soup. I don't know what I'm going to have it with, but this is just a whole meal for me and it's looking good already. So now that this is done, I'm going to go in with my diced Scotch bonnet. I like Scotch bonnet, but this is optional anyway because you already added grounded pepper. So now that I've added that, look at my pepper soup and just tell me what you think of this. It is sizzling, it is cooking. You can see it all. I wish you could smell it right now. It is just so divine. Just look at it, take a look at it. Can you see that my yam, my plantain, they still look all in the pepper soup? They don't look broken or mashed up or anything like that. That is exactly what I was trying to achieve. And now that this is done, I'm going to go in with my scent leaves. I had dried scent leaves at home. You can use fresh one. Actually, I prefer fresh one, but it wasn't available to me, so I had to make do with the dry one. So I'm just going to mix everything together, allow the scent leaf to be evenly distributed, let it reach all the corners of the pot, let the flavor of the scent leaf come out also. And now our pepper soup is ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and click the subscribe button. Bye.